Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, then my name is Mezbin Pinky, and if you are coming from Instagram or TikTok, then welcome to my channel. Do join the family and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Okay, so in this video, by the title you know that I'm going to do KMART haul, and these are the things which I ordered online and it came yesterday, and I think everything is in here. So let's open from here. I literally forgot what I got, and I hope I got everything. Oh, these are some undies which I'm not going to show. Okay, just leave it there. So I'm going to open this one. Okay, so this is one of the shoes, and it's very nicely packed. I literally wanted one shoes like this and I got it. So this is how these shoes looks, and I think it looks really nice. White. Literally I always run out of white shoes, so I want lots in my collection. So I literally like this one, and I have got no idea about the price. I will list it somewhere in this video. Okay, moving on, let's open this one and let's see. There are not many things, I think, and I'm like not sure if I got everything or not. I think I got everything, but still I think I ordered more than this. So let's see, there are more shoes. Okay, let's see this one. And Isha is here too, and she's just watching me from there. So I think I got this before, but this looks a bit different. Hey Isha.
No.
Oh, the same. Okay, same black one. Mine one is worn out, so I got another one. I literally love this one, and I literally love wearing this while walking out. So this is really nice, and I think this was $25. Oh, there's a tag here. It was only $12, and I'm wearing size 9, and I think the price is written here. This is $20. Okay, size 9. And I got another one, shoes, and this one is Everlast, and this one was $39, and literally love the color. I just love this one. Okay, I wanted in other colors, but this was the only one available, and literally love the way it is. I think, yeah, it's nice. And moving on, I got this. We need this a lot. Cotton tips. And moving on, I got one heel, like white one this time. The same one I got last time, black one. So this is the white one. It's really nice. I love the black one. And this is same. Okay, last time I showed you all. It's beautiful. This was $18. It's nice. And moving on, I got more undies, and I got one shorts, and this one is in size 10, and this one is bike shorts, training, $15. It's blue. It's nice. It has a pocket here, a deep one, both sides, and this one is training performance. Okay, it's nice, and I hope it will fit me. And the last thing I got is another shorts. literally like this one. This was $15, dry performance active wear. It's beautiful. I think I should wear this one today. Yeah, like it. And it has pockets here. Isha, why did you go away?
Because there's nothing interesting.
Oh my god. She
All
like
the exercise stuff.
Yeah, I told you. I told you before you won't like it. She's angry that I didn't get anything good.
I can hear you.
So she can take it.
I can hear you.
Okay, so I literally like this one. Like these days is really hot, so I need shorts, okay? And I love these ones. I literally love the black one I got last time from KMART, and I literally think this one will be good. It looks good. So this was $15, and yeah, this is it for today. I hope you all liked this video, and I hope to share more videos like this here on my channel. And literally I'm very busy these days, that's why I'm not filming much videos, just because I'm filming for reels, shorts, and also on TikTok I post a lot. I've got 2 TikTok accounts. Everything will be below in the description box. And I do workout, like I do film some clips so that I can share with you all, and just to motivate you all to do the same. And yeah, we all should look after ourselves and take a good care of our health, especially like I do work out 5 days per week, okay, from Sunday to Thursday, and Friday, Saturday I don't do it. It's my rest day, and I do take out some time. Like today is Wednesday, 2nd November, and literally I've completed 3rd day. I think today is 4th day, so after this I'm going to change and do my workout. And literally I filmed some TikTok videos on my other TikTok account. Like I have to like follow my routine well, so that I don't miss anything. Like I have to look after kids, I have to do the housework, I have to walk, and also I have to follow my fitness routine, and also what I eat and what my family eats. Like literally I'm very busy whole days, from morning to afternoon, like from morning to night, like 10 p.m. I think I sleep always. So yeah, I'm literally very busy, and yeah, I'm literally taking care of myself, okay? Literally, I don't like lazy people who just sit on their phone for 1-2 hours. Like I don't do like that, okay? Like when I wake up, I don't go to social media. I'm just like checking my emails. Like if I have to reply some DMs, I will reply, and that's all I'm gonna do. Or I'm just going to go on my YouTube studio and look at everything there, what's going on. That's it. Like my day begins like late at night, then I'll check the social media, okay, after completing my walk throughout the day. I just don't want anything to stop me. Like if I think something I don't like on social media, if I think like someone is not posting good thing, if I don't like their stuff or anything, I'll just block them. Like I just do block them. Like I do block unnecessary people. I don't want to see their face, so I'll block them. Like it's just so easy. So you should do all this too. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and do subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Follow me on social media so that you can know like what I do, and also I'm gonna share lots more things. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.